So, good morning students. In the last class, we studied derivative of inverse trigonometric functions and examples. And today we will learn the derivative of exponential function and logarithmic function. Here, e to the power x is an exponential function. If suppose consider y equal to e to the power x, y equal to e to the power x, this function is an exponential function. Now we will find the derivative of this function. So that is a dy by dx. So solution here, find dy by dx. Here given y equal to e to the power x, and also we know that if y equal to log x, then differentiation of this function is dy by dx is equal to 1 by x, or if y equal to log u, where u is a function of x, then differentiation of this function is dy by dx is equal to 1 by u into du by dx. By using these two, we will derive the differentiation of a exponential function. See here, this is an exponential function. Take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So here we get LHS side, log y is equal to log e to the power x, and also we know the properties of log. So first property is log m into n is equal to log m plus log n, and second is log m by n quotient. Log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. And third property, log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. Here base is any base, common base, or e or 10. Okay, comparing these two, log e to the power x and log m to the power n. Comparing these two, in place of e we have m, and in place of n we have x. So this can also be written as log y is equal to x into log e. And also we know that derivative of a product rule, d by dx of u into v is equal to first function constant derivative of second function plus second function constant derivative of first function, that is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Now comparing these two, in place of u we have x, and in place of e we have, in place of v we have e. So again here differentiate with respect to x. So log y differentiation by using this one, log u differentiation. In place of u we have y. So then differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. 1 by u into du by dx. In place of u we have y. So therefore 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, by using product rule for the RHS part, we have x is the first function, log e is a second function. Here consider common base e. Okay, log to the base e. Okay, so u into v formula. First function constant, x is a constant, log e to the base e, value is 1. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Before differentiating we will substitute the value of log e to the base e. So here LHS part as it is log y to the base e is equal to x into 1 log, because we know that log e to the base e is 1. This is also a fourth property, log e to the base e is equal to 1. By using this property we will substitute log e to the base e equal to 1. This implies log y to the base e equal to x. Okay. Next, now differentiate the given function. Here differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, x differentiation is 1, because we know that log d by dx of log u is equal to 1 by u into du by dx for the RHS part. Okay. Now simplify for dy by dx, because here we have to find the value of dy by dx. Now transfer this y to RHS side, it will come to numerator, that is y into 1 is y. What is y here? What is y here? So given e to the power x, dy by dx is equal to e to the power x. That is, if y equal to e to the power x, then dy by dx is also e to the power x. Okay, note it down. So consider next example. If y equal to a to the power x, then find dy by dx. Here a is constant, base is a constant, and x is a variable. Again by same procedure only. Okay. Here given is y equal to a to the power x. Taking log on both sides, we get taking log on both sides. We get log y is equal to log a to the power x. This implies log y is equal to x into log a, because we know that log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. By comparing these two, in case of m we have a and in case of n we have x. So therefore n into log m becomes x into log a. So now differentiate this with respect to y. X differentiate with respect to x. Log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, here log a is a constant term. Log a is a constant, so log a keep as it is, and x differentiation is 1, so 1. So this implies find dy by dx. So solve for dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to, transfer this y to RHS part, it will come to numerator, that is y into log a. So what is y here? Given that y equal to a to the power x, substitute that one, we get a to the power x into log a. That is if y equal to a to the power x, then we have derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to a to the power x into log a. Okay. For example, consider example, if y equal to 3 to the power x, then find dy by dx. So solution of this example, that is given here, y equal to 3 to the power x, and then dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to 3 to the power x into log 3. This is the solution, because in place of a we have 3. In place of a we have 3, x as it is. So therefore, by using this formula, a to the power x into log a, that is 3 to the power x into log 3. So this is the solution. Note it down. So consider next example. If y equal to e to the power x cube, then find dy by dx. So here given is y equal to e to the power x cube, and we know that if y equal to e to the power x, the derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to, again we have same function, that is e to the power x. In general, if suppose y equal to e to the power u, where u is a function of x, then differentiation of this function is dy by dx is equal to e to the power u into du by dx. Here in the above equation or above function, we have e to the power x. Here x power is 1. Okay, so therefore e to the power x only. But in the given example here, x to the power 3, x to the power is 3. So therefore I am going to use this formula, e to the power u. Okay, then differentiation of this function is dy by dx is equal to e to the power x cube into d by dx of x cube. Because comparing these two, we have in place of u we have x cube. So therefore e to the power u as it is, so e to the power x cube into d by dx of x cube, because u definition is u is x cube. So therefore x cube. So this implies dy by dx is equal to e to the power x cube, and again we know that d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Again comparing these two, we have in place of n we have 3, so 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1, that is x in n into 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1, that is e to the power x cube into 3x square, or 3x square into e to the power x cube, which is the required solution, that is dy by dx. Note it down. So consider next example. If y equal to e to the power cos x, then find dy by dx. So solution here given is y equal to e to the power cos x, and we know that d by dx of e to the power u equal to e to the power u into du by dx. Here comparing e to the power u and e to the power cos x, we have u equal to cos x. So then differentiation of this function, differentiate with respect to x, we get LHS part, that is dy by dx is equal to e to the power u into, that is e to the power cos x into d by dx of cos x, then e to the power cos x as it is, and again we know that d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, so therefore minus sin x, so this implies minus sin x into e to the power cos x. This is the required solution. Okay, consider next example. If y equal to e to the power sin inverse x, e to the power sin inverse x, then find dy by dx. Solution. Then given is y equal to e to the power sin inverse x, but we know that d by dx of e to the power u is equal to e to the power u into du by dx. Here comparing these two equations, we have e to the power sin inverse x and e to the power u. We have u equal to sin inverse x. So therefore, this implies differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to e to the power sin inverse x into d by dx of sin inverse x. And also we know that d by dx of sin inverse trigonometry differentiation. So that is the differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. So this implies we get dy by dx is equal to e to the power sin inverse x into 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. This is the required solution. Or this can also be written as dy by dx is equal to e to the power sin inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square, because e to the power sin inverse x into 1 is e to the power sin inverse x. This is the required solution. So consider next example. If y equal to e to the power x divided by sin x, then find dy by dx. Then solution of this example. Here given is y equal to e to the power x divided by sin x. The given function is of the form of quotient. That is, we know that dy by dx is equal to u by v. Quotient form u by v. This is equal to second function constant differentiation of a first function, that is du by dx, minus first function constant differentiation of a second function divided by v square. This is a function square, that is a second function. Here second function is v and first function is a u. By comparing these two, here first function is e to the power x, second function is sin x. So applying this formula, differentiate. So we get differentiating LHS side, that is dy by dx is equal to, here second function is constant, that is sin x then differentiation of a first function, that is dy dx of e to the power x, minus first function is constant, then differentiation of second function dy dx of sin x whole divided by v square, that is sin x whole square, sin x whole square. Next, this implies dy by dx is equal to sin x, as it is sin x, and we know that differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x minus e to the power x, keep as it is, differentiation of sin x is that is cos x divided by sin x whole square is nothing but sin square x. Okay, now simplify. Dy by dx is equal to in the numerator part we have e to the power x as a common, so take it outside. E to the power x remains with inside the bracket sin x minus cos x divided by sin square x, which is the required solution. Note it down. Consider the next example. Differentiate square root of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 whole divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So, solution. Here consider given y equal to square root of x minus 3 x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We have to differentiate this function. So taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. We get, so log y, LHS, log y is equal to log of square root of x minus 3 x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This can also be written as log y is equal to log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power 1 by 2, because the root can also be written as a power 1 by 2 by applying third property, because we know that log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. By applying this one, we get here log y equal to 1 by 2 into log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, next, this implies log y is equal to 1 by 2. Keep log as it is. This can also be written as x minus 3 into x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5, because we know that is log m by n, second property. Okay, log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. By comparing these two, we have in place of m we have numerator part x minus 3 and x square plus 4, and denominator part is n, that is 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So again log y is equal to 1 by 2. This is log mn, first property, that is log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n. So here product of two functions, that is x minus 3 is one function, second function is x square plus 4, log m into n. So by using this formula we get log x minus 3 plus log x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, second log function is as it is. Now transfer these two to LHS part. We get here 2 into log y is equal to log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get log y differentiation. 2 is constant, keep it as it is. Log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, because we know that d by dx of log u is equal to 1 by u into du by dx. Okay, 1 by y into dy by dx. Similarly here also, log of x minus 3, comparing these two, we have in place of u we have x minus 3, that is 1 by x minus 3 into differentiation of x minus 3 plus 1 by x square plus 4, then differentiation of d by dx of x square plus 4 minus again by using same formula, in place of u we have 3x square minus 4x plus 5, so that is 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into d by dx of 3x square plus 4x minus 5. Again this implies 2 into 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by x minus 3 as it is, 1 by x minus 3 as it is, and differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of constant is 0, so therefore 1 minus 0 is 1 plus 1 by x square plus 4 as it is. Now differentiate x square plus 4, x square differentiation is 2x plus 4 is again constant, differentiation of constant is 0, so that is 2x plus 0 is 2x. Next, minus 1 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into differentiation of 3x square, that is 3 is constant, x square differentiation is 2x, that is 6 into 3, 2 into 3, 6x plus 4x differentiation is 4 plus minus 5, sorry, plus 5. Okay, plus 5 is 0, differentiation of constant is 0, that is 6x plus 4. Next, so therefore 2 into 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, here 1 into 1 by x minus 3, that is 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x into 1 is 2x divided by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5, which is the required solution. Note it down.